How would your friends describe you is one of the hardest interview questions to answer correctly. Now, there are 6 words you really must use in your answer. Let me now give you a response in a live job interview, and I will then give you the script. Here we go.
How would your friends describe you?
My friends would describe me as loyal, trustworthy, empathetic, and someone they can always call whenever they need help or advice. They would also describe me as someone who is honest, organised, and detail-oriented. So that's a brilliant response to that difficult interview question. How would your friends describe you? That uses those 6 fantastic words. Let me now give you the script, and I will then give you another brilliant tutorial that you really must watch if you want to pass your job interview. How would your friends describe you? Here we go. My friends have often described me as loyal, trustworthy, empathetic, and someone they can call on whenever they need help or advice. I believe they would also describe me as someone who is honest, organised, and detail-oriented. So to make sure you pass your job interview, I want to help you even further. Click that link right now at the top of this video, head straight through to my job interview training tutorial right here on YouTube, where I teach you how to introduce yourself in a job interview. So right at the very start of your interview, the hiring manager will ask you to introduce yourself, and how you respond to that question is going to be the difference between a pass or a fail. It is really important that you grab their attention and create a positive first impression. Make sure you check that video out. Finally, if you want to learn what the top scoring candidates say to the most common interview questions, click that link in the top right hand corner of the video, head straight through to my website passmyinterview.com, and you can instantly download my 50 brilliant answers to difficult interview questions. It's another fantastic resource that I genuinely believe will put you ahead of the competition. Finally, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can then help you pass every job interview you ever attend, and also negotiate a salary and progress throughout your career. Please give the video a like. I really do appreciate your support, and don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always an honor and a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel. I wish you all the best for passing your job interview. Have a great day.